Didn't they give you any idea what time the wedding was?
No.
We know it could be over.
Yeah, well, I doubt if the honeymoon will have had time to take place. That's the main worry, isn't it?
What's the matter?
Oh, the damn thing's always sticking.
Why is it doing that?
We're out of fuel.
Well, isn't there a reserve tank or something?
I switched to that 10 minutes ago. We're down to 0, lady.
We'll land something.
Have you looked down there? There's nothing but trees. The plane will be ripped to pieces.
Well, there must be something left.
Don't worry, I'm looking.
What are we going to do?
Pray. Mayday! 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 Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec! Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec!
Who gives this woman to this man? I do. Then I now pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec! Foxtrot Whiskey Quebec! Will attempt a forced landing 20 kilometers northeast of Brogan. Mayday! 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 Brace yourself, sweetheart. We're gonna hit.
What love really meant.
When it came from nowhere. When it came, it altered my life. Sons and daughters, love and laughter, tears and sadness.